To create a closed store date on your website, simply come into the store configuration, closed store options, and make the closed store date whatever date you need it to be. Now, if you just want to close the site, just make the date before today. So today is January 9th. If I make it January 8th, the store will then become closed. So that's how you close a store. You make the closed store date before today's date. But if you want to use a countdown clock and let the customer know, hey, we're closing on this date, select the date you want to close, click Save, and now we have the store date set. If I come into Edit Website, Website Pages, DecoNetwork has a widget that is the countdown clock. So I can simply drag the countdown clock onto the page. I can choose to then use the closed store date. Within the design, I can choose between a flat or a flip. I like using the flip. And you can see here, based on the date that I chose, we're closing the store in 21 days, 23 hours, 57 minutes, and 50 seconds. It's really that easy. Set the closed store date, come into the website pages where you can then drag and drop the countdown clock onto the page, and then that corresponds with that closed store date. It's also a good idea to add a heading to let the customer know to place their order before the store closes. So order before the store closes. And I will go ahead and center that and make it bigger so it's right in our customer's face. Again, it's really that simple. Once that countdown clock hits 0, the store will be closed. Now, when the store is closed, you can also edit that page. So if I come into Pages, down here at the very bottom, if I go into, you can't edit this page. Kind of forgot about that. You can't edit this page until the store is closed. So if we come here and I come into Store Configuration, Close Store Options, let's go ahead and make it before today's date. So we'll make it the 8th, which means if we go view the site, it's going to, now we're logged in, but it would just say, hey, the store is closed. So again, let's go back so we can edit that page. So within Pages, scroll at the very bottom. Sorry, I can never remember where this is. Others. So again, you have to have the store closed first, but within Others, Store Closed, you can update the look of the closed store page, just like you can any other page. So if you want to have a temporary, hey, coming soon, or just a banner that says the store is currently closed, you absolutely can edit the look of that page. If you have any questions on how to set a countdown clock or the closed store date, or just close your store, simply come up to the search bar where you can search our many great help articles, or click on the question mark where you can raise a support ticket with Client Services, who is there to answer any questions that you have or when you run into any problems. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching.